Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 40 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here we have a bunch of icons. One of them is this icon that looks like the sun, and this is the screen brightness icon, and you can adjust the brightness by tapping on this icon repeatedly. We have different levels of brightness, as you can see. You can also adjust the brightness in the settings. So if you tap on the settings icon, in settings, if you find the option called brightness, you can tap on it. And here we can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. The difference is that on the quick panel you don't see the percentage. Here we have the percentage listed, and it goes every 20%, as you can see. So adjust the brightness, and once you're done you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face, and that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.